Hi guys, it is East Weymouth Chris here on YouTube, and I'm unboxing this pickup. I snagged this when they dropped the everything to 50% off at the Rick Owens store. I was like, fuck yeah, I'm gonna go look for some shoes in my size 45. I already know the Geo baskets at 45 fit me, so I decided to take a risk and see if 45 vegan high tops would fit. Now they're really cool. They were really cool looking on the website. They seem to be kind of shiny, and they're also forest green. I thought they were like a very kind of odd, like black color, but they're actually forest green. So, and the weird thing is, like, I'm almost as excited to be getting a Dark Shadow box and dust bag as I am to be getting these sneakers. That's oh hell yeah! Oh yeah! Yes! Oh yes, dude! Oh, they gift wrapped it for me. These people are awesome. These people are so awesome. Okay, let's do. I didn't even ask for gift wrapping, and they gift wrapped it because I had a back and forth where I was like, you know, I ordered the beanie, and I ordered the beanie in small when I meant to order them in large, and I don't know what I was thinking when I ordered in small. And they were really nice to me. The lady was really nice. She goes, "Hey, we've all done it." And look at this, I got, oh, look at this, that's sweet, and look at this, oh, Dark Shadow box, yeah, hell yeah, Dark Shadow box, and, oh, Dark Shadow bag, oh, dude, okay, wait, Dark Shadow bag, let's just get these out, oh, shit, these are gonna fit, these are 110% gonna fit, well, I'm 99% certain that these are gonna 110. I'm looking at my feet. I'm looking at these shoes. Holy shit, these fucking pop, dude. These are way more green. Look at that. Oh yeah, dude. It's got the zipper. Oh, dude. Dude. These shoes are awesome. Oh, thank you for fixing my order. Thank you for getting me these. I may be fucked here. Actually, now that I try to put them on, let me try this again. How could size 45 fit so bad? Oh no. We're cool. We're cool. These are laced really tightly, I think is what's going on. Jesus Christ, I should have gone. No, these are fine. Yeah, these are... 45. So I think these are actually... Okay, now that I've got them laced, these are actually a perfect fit. Yeah, these are fine. Oh, dude, look at this shit. This is wicked fucking awesome. Wicked fucking awesome. Let's, stick the tag. First of all, let's do the lacing. I don't lace my Geo baskets this way, but let's lace these this way. Boom. Boom. Yeah, but see, I gotta stop copying online till I know what the fit is, because these, I could have missed the fit with this wicked easy. Wicked easy. Now, where's the thing I was using to... Oh, these have nice cotton laces. Yeah, these are fine. I like these tremendously. Where was the thing I was using to open the friggin' box with? Oh, I'll find it. I'll snip the tag. All right.